Helpful for life.
All right, so the first thing you need to do whenever you're going to start cutting things in the kitchen is stabilize your food and stabilize the cutting board. So the cutting board, if you've got a good one, it'll have rubber or some kind of grippy feet on the bottom or around the edge, and that will stabilize it for you. But even if you have one like that, over time, the boards will start to warp a little bit, and you may be able to see a little bit of a bend here in the board. But basically, that allows it to move around a little more than you'd like to. So an easy fix to that is you get a paper towel, a damp paper towel, and you just place it underneath the cutting board. And that'll help it be a little grippier. Now, if it's bowed the other way, you may want to put one paper towel on one side and one on the other. Basically, you want it to be touching wherever the cutting board is actually touching the counter. So after you stabilize your cutting board, the next thing you want to stabilize is your food. You don't want to be trying to cut an onion and it just rolls all around the board. That would stink, and that's how you lose a finger. So the easiest way to do that is make your first cut give whatever it is you're cutting a flat edge to work with. So in this case with the onion, I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a slice right down the middle. And now you can see as I move forward, this is flat and it's not gonna roll around, so it's much safer to cut with. So that's how you stabilize your food.